Hello guys, this is Crazy Wolf from cardrunners.com. I am a Sit and Go player and I mainly play $60 to $200 Sit and Go Turbo 6 Max, but I can play all kinds. This is my first coaching video and to be honest, I'm very excited to do it. In this video, we are going to make a complete review of a 6 Max Sit and Go Turbo $100. It is a specific Sit and Go because all players are regulars. So we will see how we can take the best decision in the Sit and Go and how we can adapt to the strategy of our opponents. Let's start. In Turbo Sit and Go, at the first level of blinds, we want to increase our chips with low risk. So we are going to play tight with high equity hands, and we can play more hands against weak players or regular players we can read. Let's start the Sit and Go.
First hand, 10-5 off in early position. Fold. 6-4 in the big blind. The middle position open min raise. And the small blind free bet. If the small blind didn't free bet, we have a good price to call. But I don't like the call. I prefer calling suited hands or high equity hands. I'm going to show you on Equilab my range of call against middle position. Here it is. Around 25%. So it will be SI, suited, and connectors hands, and a lot of pairs. And I will free bet nuts and some bluff. So here just a fold. 10-7 is a small blind. So the button min raise. So we have to check the fold to free bet here. It is 58%. So I think it's not enough to be profitable. And our hand is very weak out of position. So just a fold. Queen 8 in the big blind. So the button raised around 3 times. So we have to check the fold to free bet. The same, it's 51%. It is not enough. And our hand out of position is weak. And we don't have a good price to call here. So we fold. It is the same spot. For those suited, it is a close spot. In the button, I like to open between 50% to 100%. It depends how many times the small blind and the big blind will defend it. Here, the big blind defend a lot and he never fold to the continuation bet. So for those suited, we don't want to open it. So I think the best move here is a fold. Yeah. The middle position call. So we have a very good price here to call 50 into 275. So normally we have to call 100%, but I don't like this spot because we have King X off, and the raise and the call come from early position. So we are out of position with a weak equity hands, and they have a lot of better kings or overpair. So if we hit a king or a 7, we cannot do anything. I like folding pre-flop this hand, but I will call suited and connector hands. So I fold. In 10, it's the same spot. Ace King. In the cutoff, pretty easy raise. I like to raise around 2 big blinds for each position, except the small blind. I will raise 2.5 or 3 big blinds because we are out of position. We steal the blinds. good for us.